Now, abuse of drugs does not only have to do with illegal drugs, but misuse of drugs, particularly prescription drugs for the purpose other than those for which they are meant for. Health professionals are warning the general public against the misuse of antibiotics drugs, as it ought to be prescribed by a health practitioner before use. Victoria Tokolo report.
Nigerian health professionals have raised concern over the increasing misuse of drugs among the general public, especially antibiotic drugs. They warn that improper use of antibiotic poses serious health risk. Medical practitioners advise that antibiotic medicine should only be taken after prescription from a qualified medical practitioner.
Inappropriate use of antibiotics has led us to this level where we have a lot of antibiotic resistance, in which case the germs that cause this disease no longer respond to the antibiotics because we have used them wrongly. And during those wrong usage, these bacteria have devised means to sidestep the actions of the antibiotics. They are now causing what we call superbugs that cause infections that are very difficult to treat, and they are responsible for a lot of deaths globally.
Because this drug you are taking is not supposed to be like that. What you are taking is, instead of helping you, it will cause more damage. Why not go to hospital? Or even some antibiotics supposed to come with some tests. Maybe if you do go for medical test, it will recommend the drug you will use and how to use it. Not to just buy it because somebody said that when I had this thing, this is what I use and it works for me. Some of them, our body system is not the same thing.
Lagos residents also called on the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency to stop drug hawkers across Lagos State without NAFDAC approval.
Medication of which is very, very bad. People get drugs once they feel little pain, they go and buy body pain, take some. Even some people go to the extent of buying antibiotics, of which is supposed to be taken, with doctor's prescription, probably on 6 months or 1 year. Some just take them on weekly basis, probably because of the nature of their job. So of which they don't know that they are damaging their heads, destroying their kidneys and their liver.
Prescribe if they prescribe drugs for you, for example antibiotics, maybe for 88 hours. Immediately you start it, you make sure, maybe the doctor that prescribed the antibiotics for you said maybe after 6 hours you should be taking it. Make sure you follow what the doctor told you. You should be taking it 6 hours. If it is 88 hours, you should be taking it 8 hours.
Health professionals are calling on the general public to seek proper medical advice before taking any drug, particularly antibiotic drugs. They emphasize that responsible use is important to preventing complications and combating the growing threat of antibiotic resistance.